Hello you guys, happy life begins from the shipping. But life is happy, but business is good, but the working is hard because you know the competition is crazy. Customers need the best price, best quality, and the short delivery time. So you know, we always think about our customers. We will ship 3 containers machine today to the customer from South America. This customer has purchased our machines for 3 times. This is the 3rd time he purchased machines from us, because you know the price of our machine is very good, the best in the market, and the service is good. We have the special teams to supply the service. The electrical engineers, the mechanical engineers, they are the best engineers in China. They can supply the service on 24 hours. So if a customer meet any problem, just call me on WhatsApp. We can supply the service for them on time.